Good morning, everybody. Today we discuss about types of hardness of water. Water sources are two types. One is surface water and groundwater. In the surface water, rainwater is very purest form of water. When it is enter into atmosphere, it mixed with gases to form bicarbonates and sulfates. Those are mixed together to form impurities components. Those water mixed with soil then form bicarbonates, sulfates, chlorides mixed with water bodies then form hardness of water. Today we discuss topics. On completion of this period, you will be able to know about types of hardness, temporary hardness, causes of temporary hardness. In this hour, you will be able to know about types of hardness and temporary hardness. What are the causes by temporary hardness? Types of hardness. These hardness means the property of hard water by which it prevent formation of lather. It prevent formation of lather with soap is called hardness. The property of hardness by which it prevent formation of lather with soap is called hardness. These hardness are two types. One, temporary hardness, permanent hardness. Temporary hardness, permanent hardness. Types of hardness. Hardness, the property of hard water by which it prevents formation of lather with soap is called hardness. What are the causes of hardness? Hardness of water is caused due to presence of soluble bicarbonates, chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium caused by hardness. Hardness of water is causes due to presence of soluble bicarbonates, chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium caused by hardness. These hardness causes salts calcium bicarbonate CaHCO3 taken twice. Magnesium bicarbonate, formula of magnesium bicarbonate MgHCO3 taken twice. Calcium chloride CaCl2, magnesium chloride MgCl2, calcium sulfate CaSO4, magnesium sulfate MgSO4. Due to dissolved salts present in water, hardness of water, two types. One is temporary hardness, second one permanent hardness. Temporary and permanent hardness. Temporary hardness, permanent hardness. Causes of hardness. Due to presence of dissolved salts like bicarbonates, chlorides, and sulfates of calcium and magnesium present in water causes of hardness. Hardness of water is caused due to presence of soluble bicarbonates, chlorides, and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. These soluble salts get mixed with the natural water. Soluble salts of chlorides, sulfates, bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium mixed with water causes of hardness. When natural water flow over the rocks containing chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium, these salts dissolve in water gets hardness. When natural water means rainwater, flow over the rocks containing chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium, these salts dissolve in water get hardness. How it is formed? Hardness of water. Natural water, that means rainwater fall on topsoil, those water go to under subsoil. These water mixed with carbon dioxide or sulfur dioxide to form H2CO3, H2SO3. CO2 plus H2O gives rise H2CO3, carbonic acid. SO2 plus H2O, H2SO3, sulfurous acid. These rocks containing calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate. These calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonates of rocks react with bicarbonates H2CO3 or H2SO3 to form CaHCO3 taken twice or CaHCO3 taken twice. CaCO3 plus H2CO3 gives rise CaHCO3 taken twice. MgCO3 plus H2CO3 gives rise MgHCO3 taken twice. Calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonates present in water to form temporary hardness of water. Temporary hardness. These temporary hardness caused by calcium and magnesium bicarbonates, that is calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate, CaHCO3 taken twice, MgHCO3 taken twice. It is called temporary hardness. Calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate present in water This water is called temporary hardness of water. This temporary hardness of water can be removed by just on boiling the water or adding lime water. It is removed by boiling of water or addition of lime water. This temporary hardness of water can removed by heating or addition of lime water. Calcium bicarbonate CaHCO3 taken twice plus increasing temperature gives rise CaCO3 plus CO2 plus 2H2. This calcium bicarbonate soluble in water when increasing temperature to form insoluble calcium carbonate precipitate on the bottom of container. So this calcium bicarbonate converts into calcium carbonate. It does not causes of hardness of water. That's why magnesium bicarbonate present in water when you are eating. This magnesium bicarbonate turns to magnesium carbonate and carbon dioxide. Magnesium bicarbonate soluble components when you are eating insoluble magnesium carbonate form on the container. It is also called carbonate hardness. This temporary hardness is also called carbonate hardness or alkaline hardness. Alkaline hardness. It is due to presence of bicarbonates, carbonates and hydroxides of hardness producing metal ions. It is due to the presence of bicarbonates, carbonates and hydroxides of hardness producing metal ions. Calcium ions, magnesium ions associated with bicarbonate HCO3 minus carbonates CO3 minus 2. CH is equal to TH. CH means carbonate hardness. Carbonate hardness means temporary hardness is equal total alkalinity. Alkalinity hardness. Whichever is less. Summary. These are two types of hardness. One is temporary hardness, another one is permanent hardness. Temporary hardness is caused by calcium and magnesium bicarbonates. It is called temporary hardness because this can be removed by just on boiling the water. It is also called carbonate hardness or alkaline hardness. Temporary hardness, two types. Calcium bicarbonate or magnesium bicarbonate, these two salts present in water, it causes temporary hardness. This temporary hardness can be removed by boiling of water. This temporary hardness is also called carbonate hardness. Ca plus 2, Mg plus 2 associated with HCO3 minus CO3 minus 2. Quiz. First one, temporary hardness can be removed by filtration, sedimentation, coagulation, boiling. This temporary hardness removed by boiling process. Answer is boiling. Second one, hardness of salt water in ppm. 0 to 100 ppm, 0 to 50 ppm, 0 to 75 ppm, 0 to 10 ppm. This temporary hardness of water 0 to 75 ppm. Frequently asked in this topic, What are the salts responsible for the temporary hardness? Calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate. How can you remove temporary hardness? By boiling process or adding lime water. Thank you once again.